Hi, so today you're going to be working on your introductory collaborative slideshow, and I want to just walk you through how you're going to do that. If you're looking at your main page, you're going to go to the Module 1 Introduction and click in there. You'll see the introductory slideshow is here at the top of that module, and the activity you can access right here through Google Slides. Go into Google Slides and you will see the start of our collaborative slideshow. On the second page is where you'll find the directions. So let's go through this together. To begin this digital storytelling course, I'd like to get to know you all a little better. In order to do that, we're going to be working on this class collaborative slideshow. You're going to each be assigned one slide. You can see here that I have added extra slides, so as you enter into the activity, you will select a slide and put your name here. Okay, back to the directions. You will see that there is a rubric. It's always good to check out a rubric before you start any assignment, and you can access that rubric here. So click on that to look over the rubric and see exactly what it is that I'm looking for in this slideshow. All right, once you have done that, you are going to go back to the directions, and you can see that I have them laid out here pretty clearly. Step number 1, you're going to select a background image. So let's go to slide 4, and let's say that I'm going to use this slide as my own. The first step, to select a background image. So you're going to go Insert and Image here, and you have some choices. Now you can go into your albums if you have some pictures in Google Drive. What I'd like to do today is I'd like to search, and I'm going to search for some mountains. And a number of pictures will come up. These pictures are all free to use. There are no copyright legalities on them, which we'll be talking about more in Module 2. But to start out, I think I'm going to take this first picture. I click on it and select. So it should be into my picture. Now I need to just fix this a little bit to make sure that it fits onto my slide. And so I've done that. Now let's go back to the directions. All right, you're going to use the Google Chrome extension, and you're going to make a Bitmoji of yourself. Now we talked about this yesterday in class. The Bitmoji extension has already been added onto your Google Chrome, so you will take some time to do that. We're not going to go through that in this particular tutorial. If you need more information about that, or you want to have a little bit of knowledge before you start making your Bitmoji, go to their main website here. There's an excellent video that will walk you through the important steps of making a Bitmoji. Okay, so the third thing that you're going to do here is you're going to take a snapshot of yourself and insert it on the slide in a foreground image. So I go back here to my picture. Now I'm going to go Insert. I'm going to insert another image. This time, though, I want to take a snapshot. So I will do that right here. Take a snapshot, and I will add it in just how we did it before. Okay, that's how that works. Back to the directions. You're going to write your name using WordArt. Now I know we've done this before in class, but I'll show you just very quickly how to access WordArt. You're going to Insert, you're going to go to WordArt here, and you're going to enter your name here. Okay, so you'll do that. Now again, you're going to need to make some changes to it. It's a little bit big. You want to fix it in there. Maybe you want to change the color of it. You can do all of those changes here. Okay, so play with that however you like to do it. If you want to move it up, you can do that, make it bigger, smaller. Your choice, really. This is for you to design. You're telling me a little story about yourself in this one Google slide. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use at least 3 sentences to tell us a little bit more about yourself. So maybe you want to say where you were born, your family, your favorite food, those kinds of things. Anything, but I'd like 3 good sentences. So if you go here, you can insert through a text box. If you'd rather insert through a shape and have something be sort of a unique shape, you can do that here. Put it in here and say something about yourself. So those are the kinds of things that you can do. The last thing that you want to do is you want to comment on 3 of your classmates' slides. You can see that commenting is found over here on the right top side. So you'll click comments and you'll see that there's an opportunity here for you to write something. Okay, so that is how you will do that. You can put that right there. Now, let me show you one that I did earlier here. You can see there's my Bitmoji. My name is in word art. I have a background image. I have a snapshot of myself. And I have 3 just quick little sentences that tell you a little bit more about me. Over here, I've put a comment. Feel free to add to answer that question. My comment is, who else likes sushi? So you can add to that comment by clicking up here on the right, as I already showed you. Okay, well, enjoy working on this collaborative introductory activity. I can't wait to see them all.